UGO, Universo Grill Oven, gets to the customer enclosed inside the appropriate packaging, vertically positioned on the pallet surface, with the trolley on its top, without the wheels, which need to be mounted later. Inside the package, you will find the individual parts that must be correctly positioned or inserted during the oven installation. The heat collector, the fire chimney with 2 spare card filters, the smoke outlet valve, the amber poker, the drip trays, 2 with the 2 grids version, the 4 wheels of the trolley with the relative screws, the brazier plates, the grates of the grill drawers, and the chute for loading the charcoal. Let's start with the trolley cabinet. The 4 wheels must be fixed to the base by inserting the 4 screws into the appropriate holes for each wheel. When the trolley cabinet is complete with wheels and ready to be placed in the appropriate location, we can proceed by positioning the oven above the trolley itself, aligning both correctly. At this point, all individual parts supplied can be inserted appropriately. Let's start with the brazier plates, which must be inserted side by side inside the brazier, with the lateral folds facing the bottom. Then, the grids of the grill drawers. In this case, 2 grids of a half gastronome size have to be inserted side by side with the rods that come into direct contact with the food facing upwards and in longitudinal direction. In the B2 models, with 2 grid drawers, this operation is repeated for both drawers. Each telescopic drip tray must be inserted into the space below the grill drawer, where it finds the correct location, matching the appropriate lateral joints. The smoke outlet valve is positioned centered above the circular outlet of the chimney, making it match with the appropriate joints located on the 4 corners. The fire chimney is centrally positioned above the smoke outlet valve, with the handle of the card filters on the right, again centering the individual corner joints. UGO is supplied with 2 spare card filters, easily dishwasher safe. The heat collector is inserted in the rear part of the fireplace, centering the appropriate central groove. At this point, the oven is ready for its first use. Once the combustion chamber door has been opened and the drip tray has been removed, the chute for loading the charcoal is positioned right in the center of the entrance of the combustion chamber itself. The practical amber poker allows you to easily distribute the charcoal inside the brazier, as well as to move the embers and drop the ash in the appropriate drawer below. The trolley includes a 3-story rack that can accommodate baking trays before, during and after the service. By side, a practical drawer for containing charcoal or necessary tools.